Your poison. I had one too many, I'm drunk in love, can't lie, girl, I quite enjoy it. My parents thought I'd be grown up by now, guess I'm a disappointment. I got habits that I can't beat, it's Pete, so it's only right that I join them. I'm lost out of the club like CR7, I'm putting in practice. She told me I look way better in person, it's awkward, she's kind of a catfish.
Frogs! We have a mission. Let nothing stand in our way. We leave immediately.
What about dinner?
We leave in 5 hours.
Bring it.
What? On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor, bro. I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. Ooh, that's it. Now, honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eye. You got a Prada bag with a lot of stuff in it. Give it to your.
Well, they're now very comfortable, aren't they?
Looking at me, glancing a kid. Wishing they was dancing a jig here with this handsome kid. Sick a cigar right from Cuba. I just bite it. It's for the look, I don't light it. Ill way to ammo on the hand, stay on play. Give it up, jiggy, make it feel like foreplay. Yo, my cardio is in.
The Prince Albert Challenge Cup has just been delivering race on race in this regatta, hasn't it?
There's also a sense of that programme growing year on year, and this crew, I think, growing through this season too. So it is a win for the University of Bristol in this Prince Albert Challenge Cup over the crew from Allgemeine Rechte Studentenbroei Vereniging Orca.
The haters, man, cause I got floor seats at the Lakers. See me on the 50-yard line with the Raiders. Let Ali, he told me I'm the greatest. I got the fever for the flavor of a crowd pleaser. DJ play another from the Prince of this Your Highness. Only bad chicks riding my whip. South to the west, to the east, to the north. Bump my hips and watch them go off. But yes, sure. And you don't stop in the winter order. I makes it high. Getting jiggy with them. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. 850 IS if you need a lift. Who's the kid in the drop? Who else? Will Smith. Living that life, some consider a myth. Rock from South Street.
Well, here come University of London.
Women used to tease me, give it to me now, nice and
It looks as though Bristol is trying to hold on, trying to respond.
So we don't have the capacity.
Never see Will attacking them. Rather play ball with Shaq and them. Flatten them. Like getting. Thought I took a spell, but I didn't. Trust the lady of my life, she hitting. Hit her with a drop top, with the ribbon. Crib for my mom on the outskirts of Philly. You trying to flex on me? Don't be silly. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy with it. Getting jiggy